Hey, what's up guys? Z-Rain88 here. It's been a while since I've done a box. I figured might as well do something small. Just 08 Tristar. Several hits, but really I'm about 6 cards short of a set. 4 cards. So basically I spent $29 just to try to get those 4 cards I need. Jared Parker, Pedro Alvarez. Green, Cashner, Schaefer, Carpenter, numbered 38 of 50, I believe. Not bad. Garrison Lassiter, Seth Wentz, Schaefer, Watkins. Austin Jackson, Buster Posey, Russell Danks, Adams, Otto, Anthony Hewitt. That's about it for that. Bumgarner, Kyle Lobstein, one of the ones I need. Jason Castro. Auto, oh sick, not bad, Ike Davis. One of the better ones in the set. Cutter Dykstra, 63. James Darnell, Pete Ruiz out of 50. Robbie Grossman. Michelle Noah. BJ Hermson. There you go, Doug. Yonder Alonso, probably get called up soon. Rashawn Dixon, another one of the 4 that I need. Nico Vasquez, Jason Knapp. Down to 2 more for the set. Crawford, Jordan Lyles, Alan Dykstra. Justin Smoke. Chase DeArn, Auto. Hosmer. Alright, looks like I still have 1 auto and 1 jersey. Beckham, Dusty Coleman. The auto, Edgar Olmos. Ladendorf, Avery. Alvarez, Beckham, Brett Hunter. Tim Melville, Dusty Coleman, number 2 out of 5. Doug brought Northern Isle Graphers, I think is what it is. Broke 2 boxes the other day. I bought 4 of them and he pulled 2 cards out of numbered out of 5 also. Alright. Still have a jersey and I think 1 parallel left. Nothing there. Nico Vasquez out of 50, die cut. Brett Lowry. Zach Collier. Mike Montgomery, Jimmy Weeks. All right, 2 packs left. Chase, Kenny Wilson, Petey Paramore, and last pack, better have a jersey. Yep. All right. Jersey of Lance. No. Yeah, Lance Lynn. That sucked. Numbered 100 out of 199. Matt Serta and Juan Carlos. But I'd probably say the Ike Davis is the best card. Thanks, guys.